So when you run this sample program, here's what's going to happen. You're going to enter your name, enter my name, and it'll display out a row of stars in your name and another row of stars. So you can see here we've got a string variable name, an integer called len. It asks the user to enter their name, and it uses a get line because there's a space in your name. This is the length function from the string class. It's going to count how many characters are in this variable name. So when I enter Debbie Sorrentino, it would actually count how many characters were in that string Debbie Sorrentino and store it right here. I'm not sure how many characters that is. Then I have a for loop that goes, my counter I starts at 1 and continues while it's less than or equal to this length. And so however many characters there are, it'll display a star for each, then an endl, then it'll output the name, and then here you have the same for loop again. Okay, so that's what the code does. What I'd like you to do right now is I'd like you to take the code. It's called fun1.cpp, right, in the assignment folder. After you run it, I'd like you to take the code that I have highlighted right here, and I'd like you to take it out, and I want you to put it in a function called display. So you've got to take it out of main, right? You've got to put it in a function called display. And so what you're going to have to think about is what needs to go in the parameter list, and then you're going to have to add a prototype up here, and then you're going to have to call the function. So after you try to get this running, you can click on the fun2.cpp file that follows, and there you will see the solution. So hopefully you can get it to run, but if you can't, after you work on it, click on the link that's next in line, fun2.cpp, to see the solution.